Hey, what's going on, everybody? Dane here today. Talk about another baked bean miner fork. This one's on the Polygon network. It seems like it is definitely baked bean fork season. All right, so let's just jump right in. So what's the difference on this one? All right, so pays out Matic. So you deposit Matic coins in here and you're going to earn Matic in return. The same strategy for baked beans, the same strategy for this particular one. So you're going to make your deposit. After you make your deposit, 24 hours later, you're going to come in here and recompound or replant. You're going to do that for 6 days straight. Okay. And then on the 7th day, that's when you're going to withdraw or take your profit. Okay. So in order to maintain that high ROI, that high 7% per day, you need to, compound more often than you are harvesting or eating or whatever you want to call it. Okay. They have a 2% dev fee, so it's lower, but your daily ROI is a little bit lower. It pays 7% per day. Before I get too involved, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell if you want to be notified of other upcoming videos. And I will put a link, my referral link to this particular fork, the farmhouse, in the description below. Okay, so make sure you come over here and read the FAQs. Okay, it looks just like this. It tells you everything about it. It probably answers all your questions. Make sure you're doing your own research before you put your hard-earned money into any of these projects. Okay, make sure you're not investing any more than you can afford to lose, because high risk, high reward projects can be very risky. Okay, let's look at the contract value real quick on the Polygon network. So right now, it looks good. They've got $1 million worth of Matic tokens deposited into the contract. So about 792,000 worth of Matic in the contract, and that's the value. So that looks good. Okay. Let's see, what else do we have? Make sure you join their social media sites, their Twitter, Telegram. It has been audited. Okay, make sure you come over here and look at the audit report. Make sure everything looks good for your liking. If you do not have Matic, or not Matic, if you don't have Polygon set up on your MetaMask wallet, make sure you come over to chainlist.com, connect your MetaMask wallet, then add the Polygon network to your MetaMask. Okay, if you don't have MetaMask, there's tons of videos. I'll put a link in my description where you can find out how to add MetaMask, but you're basically going to go to metamask.io, download, follow the directions. Okay, but there's tons of videos out there. If you don't have the Matic token already in your MetaMask wallet, what I like to do personally is I come over to coinmarketcap.com. You just come into the search engine, type in Matic, and then all you need to do is find the right network. This is Polygon. And then you're just going to hit add to MetaMask, and then it'll automatically add that token to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so that is the introduction on how that works. All right, guys, have a good one and good luck.